welcome to Tathastu and a very welcome to our series of Aadharshila, and Aadharshila may be series Government Schemes Simplified. So as of now we are actually done with two schemes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This is the third one which we are going to do in today's class, and this is about National Digital Health Mission. Okay, so National Digital Health Mission, this is what we are going to cover. So whenever we are doing any kind of schemes, so obviously the ministry is very much important. So I have already told you which ministry it comes under. So the ministry is the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Very easy. Now, as of now, all of us are aware of this thing that the government is actually talking about the digitization of everything, digitization, digitization of everything actually, whether you talk about the payment system, the payment method, and whether you talk about the anything, even your certificates also, that has also been done. So digital digi-locker basically, so you don't even have to carry your registration form or anything related to the vehicles. All right, so everything is supposed to be there, and you just can show that over the to the concerned person, right? So that is how, and that is the thing why we are actually seeing the digitization of health system also over here. So National Digital Health Mission, this is going to be a really very short video, so please stick to this one. So the aim is to create a seamless one. Okay, so every time whenever we are covering any kind of scheme, their aim is very much important, what it actually intends to do. So the aim is to provide seamless online platform that can actually enable the seamless online to create seamless online platform. Okay, seamless online platform to enable the interoperability within digital health system. Okay, the platform interoperability. I don't know why the color why it actually looking the color is different actually, red and purple, within the digital ecosystem, digital within the health ecosystem. Okay, so this is what it actually aims to do, right? Seamless online interoperability within the health ecosystem. This is what it actually aims at. Now when it comes to the part what it aims to do, we have already done. Now it is the part of it is actually the part of the NDHB, that is the National Digital Health Blueprint. Okay, it is the part of National Health Digital Blueprint. It actually does this thing. Okay, so National Digital Health Blueprint, that is the NDHB, National Digital Health Blueprint. Do remember this thing, because when it comes to the National Digital Health, this is the same one, but despite writing mission, this is the blueprint. So under this only, this actually is the one part. Now in order to, this is what it aims to do, this National Digital Health Blueprint. So it is to enhance the healthcare delivery. Okay, so this is to enhance the healthcare delivery by setting up a care e-health database. Okay, what it actually does, aims to do, National Digital Health Blueprint, it is to provide you the e-health system. It means that everything is online. Everything it aims to provide, everything online. So it is the, in order to enhance the, what it is actually doing, so it is actually enhancing What it is doing? Do remember this thing? Enhancing the health delivery. Okay, it is actually enhancing the health delivery, right? Very point to point. I am teaching you everything to the point, just to the point. Okay, right? So this national digital health blueprint, what it aims to do, provide you the better delivery and that of the health, and that to e-health. Why this e-health? Because the digitization is there. Okay, so digitization is there. So e-health, what does it mean by e-health? It is actually talking about the doctors. You can actually talk to doctors online itself, right? And everything, whoever doctor will be actually contributing in this thing. So that is not compulsive, it is on the voluntary basis. Okay, this is actually being done on the voluntary basis, right? So of the and whatever e-health thing actually is being provided over here on this particular platform, so that is supposed to be at the par, to the par, you can say, of the international level, right? So that what it actually aims to do. Now there is one image, there is one thing which you need to keep in your mind, and that is the related to the national digital health blueprint only. Okay, national digital health blueprint related to this thing only. The very first thing, as I told you, as of now, just now I told you, and that was related to the online doctors. So digi doctors, digitally you can talk to doctors, and I have already told you this is on the voluntary basis. Okay, this is on the voluntary basis. Next is the the health ID card is supposed to be prepared. Health ID card is supposed to be prepared. Now when it comes to this health ID card, this will be prepared on the basis of your Aadhaar card. This is supposed to be done on the basis of your Aadhaar card, right? Aadhaar card, this particular ID card will be provided to you on the basis of this this Aadhaar card only, this digital health ID card basically. Next is the e-pharmacy. E-pharmacy, so you can get your medicines just by sitting at your home. You just need to, you know, get this thing, what do you say, order. That's it, e-pharmacy. Now when it comes to the digi doctors, one thing which I forgot to tell you is that when it comes to the prescriptions, because they need to provide the prescriptions in order to get the medicines, obviously how much, what, and at how much of consumption is supposed to be done related to that drugs, whatever, right? So the prescription they can also provide, and with their digital signatures and all, right? Next is the telemedicine. Okay, another thing is the telemedicine. Please do remember all these things. And the last, and the one more thing is the health family registry also is supposed to be maintained. Health family registry. So this is also supposed to be maintained in order to track your health, right? And all these things are supposed to be done under this digitization only. Now when it comes to the all these kind of information, if all these things are available at one place, then definitely you can fetch it at really very easily. You just need to enter, the people just need to enter their enter the person's health ID card, which will be provided on the basis of their Aadhaar ID, and on the basis of this, whatever doctors, whoever you have actually contacted, that can be seen. Your health family, your family health could be seen, could be fetched from there. The pharmacy, I mean the whatever the medicines you have ever ordered, so all those things. And apart from that, your personal health records could also be fetched from there. Personal health records could also be fetched from there, and all these things are possible just because of this National Digital Health Blueprint. Now when it comes to the implementation, who will be implementing? So National Health Authority is the one who will be implementing this thing. Implementation. When it comes to the implementation, National Health Authority. Okay, so National Health Authority is the one who will be implementing this thing, right? And this is the one who will not just only be implementing, but this was actually responsible to roll out also, to design it also, right? To roll out it also, to design it also, right? And apart from that, obviously the implementation. These three things were supposed to be done by the National Health Authority. And I have already informed you all over again and again. I'm telling you that whoever is going to whoever is actually going to participate in this thing, that is completely on the voluntary basis. No one is compelled to do anything, right? Key blocks are, the key block things are the obviously the when it comes to the key block things, the key things which is really very important, the digi doctors are really very important, and the health ID card is something which is really very important. Okay, now with all these, the prescriptions I have already told you, the digit signs are supposed to be which is the doctors will actually be providing. They will be doing that because without that, the prescriptions is not actually valid, right? So this is all about the National Digital Health mission. That's it related to this thing. Now before proceeding ahead, just let me revise it all over again for you people. So National Digital Health Mission, what is the aim? Aim is to provide the seamless online platform for the interoperability in order to provide the for this health ecosystem. Okay, now it is the part of the National Health Digital Blueprint, that is the NDHB. Now when it comes to the NDHB, this is the this is actually there for the e-health perspective, right? And why it is there? To enhance the health delivery. Whatever is actually being provided on these things, it is on the voluntary basis, and specifically when it comes to the doctors. Now when it comes to the National Digital Health Blueprint, these are the components of this thing. The very first thing, you can see the digi doctors, then comes the health ID card, then comes the e-pharmacy is there, then telemedicine, personal health records, health family registry. All these are the components of the National Digital Health Blueprint. The doctors will be providing prescriptions and their digital signatures will be provided on that. And then comes the implementation part. Who will be implementing everything related to this thing? Who is responsible for the rollout thing? Who will be designing all these things? So that is the NHA, National Health Authority, will be doing this thing. That's it related to this thing. Now one thing, and that is the ministry, and obviously this is related to health, so the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it falls under this ministry, right? So this is it related to today's class. I hope that you people enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Do like, comment, share as well, and take care. Jai Hind.